Hi! Mabuhay mga kaibigan! Welcome back to our YouTube channel, A Simple Life with Steve and Mel.
Yeah, welcome back. Today Imelda's in the driving seat. She's going to show you how to cook a very simple but very, very tasty chicken afritada. Hope you enjoy it.
Hi, I'm here again. What I'm going to cook for today is chicken afritada. And here are the ingredients. Is garlic, onion, bell pepper, carrots, and patatas or potatoes. And of course, the important things is the chicken. I have marinated this already with the soy sauce and black pepper. Also, I have put a tomato sauce, black pepper, chickpeas, and the oyster sauce. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to start warming up the frying pan. Put a little bit oil. Yeah. Put the onion. And the garlic at the same time. Cook the onion and the garlic until it becomes brown. And then I can put the chicken that I have marinated already before 30 minutes. Okay, can put now. Okay, while we are cooking for the chicken, we can put oyster sauce. Oh, it smells good. And now it's nicely brown, and I can put the carrots and the potatoes, and then put a little bit of water to soften the vegetables, and then cover it. Also the tomatoes or ketchup. I used to do ketchup. And then put a little bit of water and simmer for a while for at least 15 to 20 minutes. Now that is boiling, I can put also the chickpeas and the pepper. Oh, red pepper I should say. And simmer again for 10 minutes. The fritada is Imelda's version is very simple. So you can easily follow, but it's delicious. It smells good now. I hope you like this afritadang manok, a simple way of cooking. Very simple, but it's nice. You cook this for 25 minutes. Cover it up. I think it's cooked now. Can I taste? Oh wow! It's yummy. It seems delicious. And I can put the cornstarch now. It's cooked already. Okay. It's finished to cook now and it's ready to serve. Hi! Narito mulit kami para magpasalamat sa inyo sa pananatili niyong panunood sa aming video or vlogs at sa mga taong hindi pa nakapag-subscribe, please subscribe, share, comments, and likes.